Here I have HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable camera location tags on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can enable location tag, just like this. Firstly, you'll have to allow camera to access your precise location by going to settings, then go to the permissions, location. You can allow while using the app, or you can ask each time, but I suggest you just while using the app because don't know if you want to bother with enabling location access every time you open camera. So now you can just switch this feature all you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.